Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can delete your tags on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, tags are a tool which are used to sort your items or your products on your site. This can be used for your customers to more easily locate the items they are searching for while using the search functionality. So they are something you want to use and they are pretty useful. Now you can also delete them if you're not satisfied with what they look like. You can remove them from your products and add new ones if you so chose. Now, to delete these tags, what you're going to want to do is go into your products list and locate whichever product you want to remove the tags from. So I just have this test product which I will be using, and as you'll see, if I go here down to product organization, I have my tags right over here. To remove the tag, all you have to do pretty much is just click the X, and now the tag is gone. Once you're done with that, click save, and that should be it. Now that tag will still exist. As you can see, the test tag still exists, and as far as I'm aware, there is currently no way to completely delete any tags you might have, but pretty much it's just removing them from the product you don't want them to be on should pretty much suffice. Now, as you can see, I could just enable it again, and once you do, you can just click the X again just to delete it from the product once more, and that should be pretty much it. There is really nothing else that you need to do. As I've mentioned, you can then add new tags to better sort your products, but that is pretty much all in all what you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.